How does GitHub Copilot maintain code consistency in large projects? Imagine working on a huge project with dozens of developers. Keeping the code uniform can be a challenge. That's where GitHub Copilot steps in to help. GitHub Copilot helps keep code consistent by analyzing the existing codebase. It learns the patterns, styles, and structures already in use. When you start typing, it suggests code snippets that match the project's style. This means similar functions or loops look alike across the project. It automates repetitive tasks like creating utility functions or setting up database models. By doing so, it ensures these parts follow the same pattern every time. This reduces errors that happen when copying and editing code manually. Copilot also encourages a uniform coding style by suggesting functions and structures that fit the current project. It nudges developers toward best practices, which makes the code easier to read and understand. When everyone follows similar patterns, teamwork becomes smoother. In terms of refactoring, Copilot can help update old code to match new standards. It suggests improved versions of functions that align with the current style. This makes it easier to keep the code clean and consistent over time. Using Copilot for refactoring can involve asking it to generate a better version of a function or to replace outdated code blocks. It can also suggest ways to simplify complex code, making the entire project more uniform. Copilot provides inline suggestions that match the style as you write. It can generate entire code blocks for common components based on what's already there. This saves time and keeps everything consistent. It also helps with documentation and comments, making sure they follow the same format. Clear, uniform comments help new team members understand the code faster. Another way Copilot supports consistency is by helping enforce project standards through automatic suggestions. It can suggest the right way to write code, follow naming conventions, or structure files. Team collaboration improves because senior developers can guide juniors with example-driven suggestions. This helps everyone stick to the same coding standards. While Copilot speeds up coding and promotes uniformity, it's important to review its suggestions. Combining it with code reviews and testing makes sure the code remains accurate and reliable. Overall, GitHub Copilot maintains code consistency in large projects by learning from the existing code, automating routine tasks, and guiding developers toward shared standards. This makes the whole process smoother and the code easier to manage.